So we are here today here in Kawangware, of course, with the great partnership with Zuri Health. And the target today was to serve more than 500 people here in Kawangware. Of course, doing the basic blood checks and the basic body checks, and just making sure that everyone is aware of their health, blood pressure, and of course, as Checkups Medical Center, where we are coming in now on the disease chronic disease management plan, whereby now all the chronic patients will be seen today, and of course recruiting them into our CDMP program. We'll have a very, very specialized aftercare program where we'll make sure they receive their medication on time, they talk to a professional whenever they need to talk to a professional. And of course, with the help of our mobile clinic, we've been able to make these possible. Now we're bringing services right to the people with our fully fledged mobile clinic bus, starting from all the lab services available. We have X-ray services, talk of ECG, ultrasound, all that we're able to offer with our mobile clinic bus. And of course, it's a very great privilege for the people of Kawangware to have access to such medical services today. And of course, we're looking forward to having more and more services. And of course, with the partnership that we're going to have with Zuri Health, looking forward to having more and more services of this kind, even in the near future. And again, something very important is that, patients will be able to, even after the wellness event today, patients will be able to have access to medication delivery services, the concierge services. Patients will be able to have access to our e-clinic service where they can talk to a doctor remotely, not necessarily coming to a doctor. Patients can also be able to have access to, our lab services, our mobile lab services, whereby the lab collections can be done from their places of work or their homes. And of course, it's a very seamless service, and thanks to the Checkups and the Zuri Health partnership. And we are looking forward just to making this possible even to other, communities around Nairobi, not just in Kawangware.
It's been an amazing feeling, experience-wise, mentally. It's been challenging, but we're making progress. It's been an amazing experience altogether, and we can only thank Zuri Health and the people they're collaborating with for bringing this amazing opportunity for the people of Kawangware in Nairobi. So far, we've had patients who are hypertensive, who have diabetes, and they're not even aware of it. So most of the reason to this is because of high cost of healthcare here and availability of ready healthcare around this region. So in that case, we would like to also as well advise people in these situations to know about Zuri Health, to download the app for Zuri Health. It's a telemedicine organization. It's a place where you can basically speak to a doctor at any time of the day. You can get checked at any time of the day. You can know your status from HIV to pregnancy to diabetic to anything at any time of the day. So I would advise people in and out of Kenya, in Nairobi, to please download it. It's available on App Store, it's available on Play Store. So I think with that, if everyone would have that telemedicine app, we'll have a long way to go in getting people readily available healthcare.
One of the things we pride ourselves at Zuri Health is that we say that healthcare is a fundamental human right. And as such, we will try to democratize access to healthcare, making it affordable for people to get basic healthcare. Some of the learnings that we're seeing from today's camp, we will send to government policymakers to begin to look at how these insights could help in providing basic access to healthcare. One of the things we say is the pandemic has exposed the underbelly of African healthcare. Lack of funding, very few doctors, also the economy, people not having access to eat, not talk of being able to afford their healthcare. But we believe that with technology, partnering together, we can not solve all the problems, we could attempt to try and fix some of the challenges affecting African healthcare. Again, thank you, and that's the Zuri Health advantage.